Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Guys, today I am very excited because right now I am going to talk about very interesting topic. My name is Muhammad Asim and this is day 9 of 90-day English speaking challenge. And today I am going to talk about very interesting topic. Do you know what is it? I am pretty sure that you don't know about this topic. You know why? Because I also don't know about it. Yeah, so never mind. Because today I'm going to talk about anything which comes in my mind. Because this is day 9 of my 90-day English speaking challenge. And day 9, it will be 10% of my journey. So I want to check my fluency and my English speaking because it's been 9 days. It's mean 10% of my journey I have already complete it, and I have passed through this journey and through this way. So today I am just checking how fluent I am till now, and will I able to speak English fluently in 90 days or not. So usually what I do, I never memorize any speech because 8 days already passed away, and in these days I never memorized any speech. But yeah, I used to write some key points which help me to remind me what about I will be talk. So that's why I used to only write some key points in my mind and sometime in my mobile also. But today I am really out of thought. I didn't ever think that what about I will talk today, and about which topic I will deliver my speech. So all these words that are coming in my mind, I am just speaking it without any thinking and without any proper thought because I didn't prepare anything. So all of these words and all of these phrases and all of these thoughts coming naturally in my mind, and I am just delivering it. And yeah, so that's why I am just checking my fluency and looking at my progress that if I am learning or not. Because in 9 days I don't think that I can learn too much, or if even if I will learn, but its outcome will be not as clear and visual that because it's only 9 days, and in 9 days result doesn't come clearly because learning is the long process, so it takes a lot of time to result to come out. So but yeah, still I am just trying to check my fluency. And yeah, also, so the words that you are listening right now, so this is pure impromptu speech because I didn't think anything before coming. I just here I just came here, started recording, and after that I started speaking anything which is coming in my mind. Yeah, so I think I didn't let go this video before without any good thing. I think that I should add something. I should add some value in my video, like I should add something that should be helpful for audience, for viewers. So that's why, yeah, so today I jump I just started my journey, and I just started this impromptu speech in front of all of you. So that's it. And also today, alhamdulillah, my friend, Shabir Usmani, Naziri, and inshallah Madani. He invited us to his home. So inshallah we will go there and we will meet him inshallah. So after Maghrib, after prayer of Maghrib, I will go to his room inshallah and I will meet him because he is living out of university with his family, and it's really good thing. And anybody who has ability and who can afford to live here with his family, I would recommend her, and I would recommend him that he should come here with his family if he can afford it, because it's really a big achievement for anybody in his life, especially for those people who love Medina, and especially, and as you know that all of people, everybody loves Medina. So this is the good thing. And also, despite it, anybody who can afford Umrah, so he must do it, because we don't know when we will die, and till when we will here in this planet. So we should do these things as soon as possible, because we don't know when the angel of death will come to us and we will die. So that's why we should make it done as soon as possible. Also, I want to ask you something, that how many umrahs you have already done and you have already completed it, and do you wanna come here again and again after your umrah, your after your first umrah or second umrah or third umrah? So please tell me know and let me know in the comment section. And also, what is your thought and what is your opinion? Will I able to speak English fluently in 90 days or not? Please also let me know in the comment section. And yeah, right now it's right now it's 5:25 in Medina. And this time in Medina there is no cold. Literally, right now I am feeling very very hot, despite as I told you it's 5:25 p.m. Still there is no cold in Medina. Only at the time of Fajr there is the weather is very cold, not very cold but yeah cold, you will feel it. But after 7, after 8 a.m., you will not feel cold here, especially in Medina. Otherwise, in Tabuk and in Hail and in other cities, there is too cold, mashallah. So I think that's it for today, because today I don't wanna speak too much, because I don't have any specific topic or specific something or specific point of view which through I can speak more and more. So I think I should stop here, and inshallah we will meet you tomorrow with a new video, and really with a interesting topic inshallah. And I hope that you will like that inshallah. So yeah, now let me know in the comment section, how do you feel? And are you one of those person who shy in front of camera like me? Because I am also very shy person. I have shyness, I can't speak too much in front of camera. But yeah, I am just learning, and still I am just fighting myself, because if I am speaking, so it doesn't mean that I don't shy in front of camera. I am just fighting myself. So if you shy person, And if you have shyness in front of camera, or you have fear of public speaking, then there is no way to overcome it. Expect that you will have to fight yourself. And you know, the thing that you fear it, the only result and the only the only result is that you should fight it, and you should do it again and again. Like if you have fear of public speaking, and if you are afraid of public speaking, you should speak publicly, or you should interact with people a lot, again and again. So it will remove your shyness, and inshallah you will able to speak in front of people. Also, if you are shy person, if you can't speak in front of camera, or so that so you should speak in front of camera as much as you can do, a lot and a lot. Also, there is a another thing that you should speak in front of mirror every day. Speak at least 5 minutes in front of mirror. Anything which comes in your mind, anything which you wanna talk, which you wanna tell to yourself, or anything, like if you have any problem, if you are facing any problem in your life, or if you have failure, or if you made mistakes, and anything else which comes in your mind, or right that time, what are you doing, what are you listening, what are you looking at, and also what is the time it, and what will you do after it. So anything which comes in your mind, just speak it in front of camera, and or in front of mirror, and inshallah by this your shyness will go, and you will be a fluent speaker in front of camera, and also later than in front of people. So just do it. And thank you for watching me, and we will meet you inshallah soon tomorrow. And if you liked this video, so please hit the like button. And if you still didn't subscribe my channel, so just hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section about your thoughts, about your opinions, and share this video to all those people who are shy and who can't speak in front of camera, or who have fear of public speaking. So just share this video to all those people, maybe, and it might be helpful for them. And thank you for watching. Meet you soon. Keep safe and learn together, grow together. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.